We're going to load up string here in the... Oh, which eGo is this? I forget now already. eGo Power Plus String Trimmer ST1510T is in Taylor. Forgot all about that already. I've had this for probably about a year now. And I need string. So let's do it. That's all we're going to put in. So what you do is you feed the line through the hole. Now I do have the battery in. You need the battery for this. You push it straight across. And then even it out. Unfortunately, this is all I have. This is 095, I believe. Yep. And then push the power and hit the wind button. And it eats it up. Did I go too far? Ooh, I might have gone too far. Oh man. Ah, shoot. What an idiot. Gosh, there we go. Let's try this again. Snapped. Snapped. Now this time I'll be more careful and not run it all the way in. Here we go. All right, leave it there. Problem solved.